Here I am in wherever I am, Lakeview I think it's called. It's in Southern Oregon and it's a restoration shop, and I'm assuming cars for sale. We got a little Mark III Lincoln here, and needs paint, but looks like a pretty solid little car. And here we got one of those Chrysler 300H's. They were white and gold. I don't know how many of them there were, but not too many, but they were all 440s and pretty clever cars. And this one here doesn't have the rear spoiler that they all did. They rehearsed. And we got a Camaro convertible. Kind of a cute one. It's got the ground effects, but it's not a Z28 or an SS. And a Dakota pickup, we won't spend too much time on that. And we got like a 46.7 Oldsmobile. It's a pretty clever little car. Not great shape, but certainly not the worst thing I've ever seen. Oh shit, it's not an Oldsmobile, it's a Cadillac. Shows you what I know. I'm Gearhead Bob, by the way. Hope you subscribe and like my videos. And this is a 52 maybe Courier sedan delivery, and it's got chrome on the side like I have never seen before. I don't know, maybe Canadian. Got a pretty nice looking interior. Pretty cool car. Chrome around the belt line. Never seen that chrome before. Maybe somebody can tell me what that's all about. And we got at a quick glance, it's a 40-ish Packard. It's a baby Packard, like a 120 or a 110. Doesn't have the emblems left anymore. I don't know why I've held my phone the wrong way. I'll change that. I'll get a better look at the 52 Ford and the Cadillac. And we got a 66 or 7 Riviera here. Needs paint, but it looks like a nice solid car.
In 600 feet, turn right onto North P Street.
That's my navigation system because we were just driving by. So I don't know whether I got this in the last video or not. I don't know how it happened there. But we got 57 CAD. Right alongside it we got another 57 CAD. And this, the first one was a two-door hardtop, and this one here is a 7-passenger limousine type car. Maybe a funeral car. But probably being white, it's a somebody's whip snap. See if I can tell from looking at the front seat. It is a limousine with a roll-up divider window. And we got an aluminum boat. And a 68 Cadillac, I think, hearse. The guy seems to be pretty big on General Motors here. And a 71 Eldorado. Convertible again. Looks like a nice solid car, needs a complete restoration. Another 65 or 6 Pontiac. This is a Ventura. We come over here, I'm going to say a 52 Merc, two-door hardtop. And alongside of it we got a 49 or 50, and I should be able to tell you the difference. I know that the trunk lid emblem there is different on the 2 years, but that's as good as it gets for me. And a Karmann Ghia, old type. And a C4 Corvette. And a 68 Coronet 4-door. And a 56 Merc 2-door hardtop. Nice solid looking car. And the remains of like a 46 Dodge panel. And we go around the corner here. And we got like a 64 Oldsmobile all covered with stuff. And a 66 Ford convertible. And a 65 Cadillac ambulance. And alongside of that we got a 67 or 8, I'm sorry, 68 Pontiac convertible. And we come over here, we got a 63 Chiv Impala hardtop. Looking pretty tough. And got a Dodge Ram Charger, like 84 or something maybe. I'm not very sharp on these old Dodges. Two of them side by side. And like a 53 Buick Special, I'd guess. 3 portholes. So it's a small body. And another C4 Corvette. Both of these were early cars, like 84, 5. And I can come up here and tell you. It's an 84. It's got Crossfire. And another Chevrolet the same year as the last one. Two-door sedan. 57 Olds two-door sedan. And 57 if you want to go drag racing, buy a J2 57 Olds two-door sedan and go show them how it's done. And like a 39 Studebaker maybe? I'm not sure. Got some parts laying against the building there. We got something real old here. Way older than my knowledge. Last licensed, it looks like in 1946. It's pretty tough. But it doesn't appear to be all that rusty really. See if it says, oh, it's a Chevrolet. So I'd guess like a 1924 or something Chevrolet. And we got a Ford tractor with a Ward's, Montgomery Ward type bed on it. And another really old car. I have no idea in the world what it is. And the emblem's gone out of the grill. 327 Chevrolet motor and a Ford flathead motor. And a 56, I think, Cadillac Coupe de Ville. And a Lawnmower Super Sport Murray. 307 it says. And a 56 Chiv 4-door sedan Bel Air. Nice solid car. It's one of those that you chop the rear door out and put a 2-door sedan door on it and make yourself a 56 Chiv Bel Air 2-door sedan. Nice solid car. And that's it for today.